Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can multiply and divide terms in an expression to simplify them. So to quickly go through the rules for each of these, for multiplying, all we do is we multiply the coefficients meaning the numbers that are sitting in front of the letters, and then we combine the pronoun rules, basically just smush them all together, add the powers, all that stuff. As for dividing, the first thing we want to do, if it isn't already, is we want to write it as a fraction. And then in both the numerators and the denominators, you want to cancel out any common factors, whether that be in the coefficients, the numbers at the front, or any of the letters as well. The thing about multiplying and dividing terms is they don't need to be like terms. So with addition and subtraction, they have to be like terms. If they're not like terms, you can't do anything about it. Multiplying and dividing, it really doesn't matter. You just start doing it. So a few quick examples. Here we want to simplify each of these expressions. So this first one, we have 6ab times 3a squared. Now, as I said, these aren't like terms, but it doesn't matter. All we simply do is we do 6 times 3, which is 18. And then we have 1a in the first term, and we have 2 a's in the second term. So that means we have 3 a's altogether. So we say a to the power of 3. And then we have a b in the first term, no b's in the second term. So we just have 1b. And that's all there is to it. As for the second question that we have here, we have 28a3b4 divided by 7ab squared. As I said in the previous slide, the first thing you'll want to do is write it as a fraction. So let's do that. We have 28a3b4 over 7ab squared. And now we'll just simplify. First of all, 28 over 7, you can simplify it to be 4 over 1. So let's just write like 28 divided by 7 is 4. So we have 4. Now, looking at here, we have 3 a's on the top and 1 a on the bottom, meaning that we can cancel out just one of them, leaving me with an a squared remaining on the top. And as for the b's, we see that we have 2 on the bottom, 4 on the top, meaning we can cancel out 2 of the b's, leaving me with 2 b's still on the top. So after we simplified everything, that leaves us with 4a squared b squared. Finally, we have a question where we've got 3 bits to it. And our order of operations says we just move from left to right. With multiplication and division, you simply move from left to right. So we'll do this bit first. And we're going to write this as a fraction again. So we have 72a squared b over 8ab. And we'll just leave the 2ab to the side. All right. Now, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So we have 9, and we cancelled out one of the a's, but not both of the a's on the top. And we also cancel out one of the b's. So this just leaves me with 9a. And now we're going to multiply that by the 2ab cubed that was sitting at the side there. And then when we do that, as we saw with multiplication, we just multiply the two coefficients. So 9 times 2 is 18. We have 2 a's, so a squared, and we still have the 3 b's, so b cubed. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this has been useful.